So this week is what?
Review.
These couple of days is reviewing. We're reviewing over the 2 skills that we did low in, right? So one of the skills was multiplying by whole numbers, okay? And what the trend that I seen with you guys is that multiple choice and multiplying whole numbers, you had it because you had some choices that you could choose from. However, when it came to open response or constructive response, something that you just had to know, that's where the trouble began. Okay? So we're going to talk about misconceptions with multiplying whole numbers, some things that we should do, some things we should do. We're going to compare papers, scholar work, okay? Real scholar work. We're going to compare it to see what they did right, what they did wrong, what they should have done, okay? So with that being said, cut the light off, Johnny's. We're going to compare, everybody see that?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to compare number 13. We're not looking at 14, okay? We're looking at number 13. So I'm going to put this up just so we can talk about that. Seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to share out and tell me the difference that you see with those 2 problems, raise your hand. Desmond, what is something that you see?
One's using standard algorithm and the one's using like the little box where you put like the numbers.
What do we call the box?
Area model.
Okay, so Desmond said one is using standard and one is using the area model. What else do you see?
This 13
On the
left
left
side is 45 and 37, and on the right side is 45 and 92,
920.
27. The 3 and the 2 is different.
All right, so Darrell says the answers are the product is what?
Different.
They're different. What else do we see?
I see that one. Well, I added it all up, but that wasn't the answer.
Okay, so we're not going to get to the answer yet. We're just going to talk about these 2 papers right now.
The paper on the right hashtag and the one on the left didn't.
Good. Nakaya said one on the left, on the right. They hashtag. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That is a what? What do we call that?
A form of note.
Form of notes, which is also a what?
Something to know what?
Strategy, right? It's a strategy, right? So we hashtag on the right. They did not hashtag on the left, right? Okay. Anything else? What about structure? What do we know about structure of a problem, especially multiplying? Madison. Huh? Okay, speak up a little loud. They supposed to be lined up, okay? Is there a structure in this problem? No. So what can easily happen? Raise your hand. What can easily happen, Akira?
It can multiply the wrong number.
They can multiply the wrong number because there isn't any kind of structure. What else do we see?
They could multiply the wrong numbers because they have the numbers everywhere. They could multiply the wrong numbers because they have the wrong.
Okay, so she said they can multiply wrong because numbers aren't everywhere. Okay? Agree or disagree?
Agree.
can end up adding adding different numbers instead of adding like numbers.
Okay, they can end up. Can somebody point out real quick about the paper on the left? Can somebody point out real quick where they went wrong? Do you see it? Come on, Ricky.
When I was told, they had got the 3 wrong.
They got the 3 wrong?
In the 10th place, they added.
Okay, so in the 10th place, they added wrong. You notice here, this is 7 times 6, which is 42, and they put how many zeros? 3, which is correct. 6 times 2 is what?
12.
And how many zeros?
2.
What is 6 times 9?
54.
54. What do they have?
55.
And they added what?
Wrong.
They added 1 0. So this is one problem here because 9 times 6 is what?
54.
54. Okay, it is very imperative. It is very important that what should have happened? What could we have done in order not to do that?
They could have divided.
How could they got the right answer?
Repeated addition.
Repeated addition,
Study.
She took my answer.
multiplication, right? Write your multiplication down. Make sure, you got to make sure that your multiplication fact is correct. So that tells me that this person here did not what? Check their what?
Word.
They did not check their word. Yes, Giles.
I was gonna say repeat addition.
Repeated addition. All right, cut the light on, Giles, real quick. Now we need to see who is correct, who is right, who is wrong.
I got the one right.
All right, I'm going to have one scholar to go to the board, and they're going to teach that problem. Come on. All eyes on the Kaya. Is that black or purple? Use the black mark.
729. That's multiply by 63. 63. 6 times 3 is
27.
You put your
6 times 3.
8. Wait. She said 9.
18.
9 times 3.
27.
You put your
7.
carry your
2.
2 times 3.
6.
Add your
2.
equals
8.
3 times 7 times 3.
21.
Do you carry?
No.
What do you put here?
A placeholder.
Excel. Kelly, what do I do next? See what 6 times 6. What is that? 36.
What is 6 times 6?
Cause she got a 6 right there. No, it's not. 6 times 9. Oh, 9 times
That's a 9.
2. Kelly,
6 times 9 is 54.
you put your
4.
carry your
5.
right here.
No.
A car. 6 times 2 times 6. Can 2 go 6?
J multiply 6 times 2, which is 12,
Add your.
plus 5, is 17, which is 17.
Where do you put it? Where do you put it?
Drop your 7 and carry your 1.
Right here. Add some.
You want to do?
7 times 6. Write it out. What's a good operation to help him faster?
Repeated addition.
Thank you.
Want some help? I'm gonna help them.
Read.
6 times 7 is 42.
What do you put your for?
You put your 4. Put your 4. Under the 2? Under the 2 beside the 2.
Just say you put your
put
2
your
under the other
Under
2,
the
and
2,
then
and
put
the
the 4
7
beside
beside
the
the
2.
2 beside.
No, you put the 4 beside the
4 beside
it's 43 because you have to add your 1. It's 43.
Thank you. Now what do you do next?
Add.
7 plus 0 is
7.
8 plus 4 is
12.
301.
9. 2 plus 3
5.
4.
Just bring
Your
your 4
4.
down.
Your answer is
45,927.
All right. Look back up here.